Trash talk!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see from the title, this is a what's in my TELFAR bag video. Now, I asked you guys if you like the video. It seems like you guys like it. I told you guys to get it to 100 likes and I'll show you what's in my bag. So that's what this video is all about. Thank you so much. 100 likes is awesome to me. I really appreciate it, and I'm glad you liked the video. If you haven't been here before, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the bell for post notifications so that way when I upload a video, you guys know about it. Now let's get into my bag. Alright, so this is my TELFAR bag, as you can see. Now, I do have this Marc Jacobs bag that I've been wearing a lot. And this is one of my favorite bags. It's a camera bag, so I really can't fit much in here. But I just have money and or lip stuff that I would normally put in this bag, but it's in this bag because I sometimes carry both. Now, inside my TELFAR bag, I have this little thing I got from ASOS. I just carry pretty much, oh, that's $5 in here. Not bad. I carry some wipes. I got some hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works, which I really like. It's aromatherapy too. It has eucalyptus in it. And like just personal hygiene products are in here. I got some mouth spray, a toothbrush, toothpaste, a mask. I always have to keep a mask. And I have my personal hookah tip. Speaking of personal hookah tip, I'm also doing hookah right now. I love hookah. So what's next in my bag is I have 3 books. Well, 1 book and 2 journals. I've been reading this Own It book. It's about anxiety and some ways of acceptance and some messages and how to break down negative biases or ideas and things like that. It's really a good book. I got it from Barnes & Nobles, and it actually was on a sale. I got this from Urban Outfitters, I'm sorry. It was $6.99 and it was on a sale for half off. So like a $3 book that goes a long way. It's really helping me out. Let me know if you guys want me to talk about anxiety and things like that, because now that I have a therapist and things like that, I have no problem speaking about it. It is still kind of new and kind of different for me, but I don't mind talking about it. And I also have, this is my personal journal, so I take down notes or things I want to work on. I also have like some YouTube ideas inside of here, things to do, and I take this with me. This is my notes and plans journal, so it's somewhat similar to that, except this has in-depth things of what I want to do, like full-fledged prompts, or if I have a meeting, if I have a Skype call, Zoom call, or something with like a brand or something, I put it in here. So this is more so of my schedule book. A lot of people have been wondering what's the perfect size for if you have a laptop, and I have this is a 13-inch MacBook. I think it's one of the newer ones with the little touch bar thingy thing. Is it gonna come on? Oh, well, it clearly needs to be charged, but it fits perfectly in here whether it's in a case or not. This is my laptop case, and I can put my laptop in here obviously, and it fits inside my bag discreetly as well. So if you're looking for a TELFAR bag that's going to fit your laptop, I think a 15-inch can fit in here, because I think the bag measures out to be about 16 inches long in width, and I think it will fit, but it does fit in with the case as well. So I have my laptop in here. I also have a bag full of masks because it's quarantine. Sometimes I go places and my friends don't have a mask, so I always keep an extra one. Or maybe one day I was out and my mask ripped, so I was like, oh god. So I just keep a bag full of masks and gloves. Just a little recommendation. Clearly I have my laptop charger, which I need to go ahead and charge my laptop. So let me put this on the charger, because after I'm done filming this, I want to get this video edited and posted. I have my wallet. It's the wallet that matches my Marc Jacobs bag. That goes in there obviously really well, but I have it in my big bag because I was obviously using it. I have one of my favorite fragrances in here. It's the Clean Warm Cotton fragrance. This is my favorite fragrance from Clean. It is the one that if you check out Sephora's website and type in warm cotton. If you scroll down, you'll see a video of me talking about this. Really grateful for that. So, slight pub. That's in the bag as well. I have a charging block, my Mophie charging block, because sometimes I go places and my phone dies, or I charge my AirPods with this, the case as well. Speaking of AirPods, here they go. I just plug it into the bottom and it charges it. So that's also in the bag. Of course, I have my Trash Talk stickers. I need to order more. These are from Sticker Mule, so make sure you go to Sticker Mule, and if anything, you can DM me or chat me. I can get you $10 off of some stickers if you want to get some. Got a charger, just because I always take one. Maybe my charging block may die, my mobile charger, so I just like to have something tangible or something that's gonna plug into the wall. So that's always good to have. And I got some peanuts because I'm greedy and I like to snack and eat while I am out and about. So perfect. I also have a bottle of coconut water. There's not much left in here. There's a little bit left. Clearly I'm gonna throw this out, but I like to recycle, so I'm pretty sure that's why I kept the bottle in there. And yeah, for the most part, I didn't want this video to be too long, but that's majority of what I have in my TELFAR bag. My laptop, some chargers, some technology, my AirPods. I usually keep some hand sanitizer. My camera is usually in there, but obviously I'm filming with it right now, and it's great. Inside the bag, again, is pretty big. It's pretty spacious. It has this little pocket in here. It's almost like a wallet pouch, so you can go ahead and put some things in there. That's usually where my wallet goes, and my camera in the case, and then everything else is inside the bag. Pretty great bag again. TELFAR, you did the damn thing. I love this bag. It's the perfect size. I do have the small one and the large one, so if you haven't seen that video, go ahead. The card will come up so you can click it and go see. That's this video. I hope you guys enjoy. When I travel, I'll do what's inside my larger TELFAR bag, and maybe even one what's in my small TELFAR bag if you guys like that as well. So please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Go ahead and drop a comment. Let me know what's inside your TELFAR bag, or even whatever bag you have, but you know, this video is for TELFAR. So I hope you guys enjoy, and as always, until next time, I'm out.